Hey guys, today let's learn how to find the Spotify Wrapped 2023. So if you guys would like to go ahead and locate where your Spotify Wrapped is in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys where this is. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys would like to know, right guys? So what we need to do is to go ahead and launch the Spotify application. Scroll down onto your tab and see if you can locate your Spotify Wrapped. So in this case, it's not necessarily showing me that right away, but if I go through these, it should show me that any moment. So if you can't locate it on your All tab on your home, let's try to locate under our Music tab over here. And we do have our DJ AI, but we want to go ahead and look for our Wrapped or Spotify Wrapped tab now. In the case that you cannot see it on the application, what we can do to actually go ahead and locate where this is to try to go ahead and update your Spotify applications to the latest version. Now, we do need to be aware that Spotify hasn't really officially announced if the Wrapped 2023 and when this will be arriving. So what we can do is to go ahead and just basically wait until it arrives. So periodically, what we can do from time to time is to check if we have the latest version of the Spotify application. So go ahead and search for Spotify on your app stores and see if you have the latest version of Spotify, and go ahead and check this from time to time. If you basically receive an update to update your applications to the latest version, so that you're gonna have the best and top features and latest updates as well. So basically, what we need to do is basically wait until the Spotify Wrapped is gonna show up and be available for everyone on its users. But most likely, the Spotify 2023 Wrapped Roundup will arrive at the end of November and early December. Go ahead and wait for this guy. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe, as all of you guys learn something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.